my name is Courtney and I work on the tech team with Indigo Marketing Agency. I've set up a dummy website with the just default WordPress settings to be able to walk through some different WordPress tips. So today I'm going to walk through how to log into WordPress. All you'll need is the domain name and your username and password. So with your domain name, just put that into a browser, and then at the end of it, you're going to add a /wp-admin. And that will take you to the default WordPress login page. From there, you just add your username and your password and click login. There is a way to change the login page domain name or add like a CAPTCHA to make sure that robots aren't trying to log into your website. And that can be done by either editing your raw WordPress files through your host or adding a free plugin. But just by default, your URL plus WP-admin will take you to this page, and then you just add your username and your password and click log in, and that should do it.